Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to take you to SoundCarousel, one of the most famous fast food restaurant in the CBD on Moi Avenue. As you can see, we had our fries from this place, but the highlight of this video is not the fries and the chips and the chicken, but basically we are going to have a chit chat, and yeah, you're going to spend the evening with us. Let us hear what kids have to say. How often do you sit down with your kids and just have a conversation as to what they feel and everything that is changing in their life and how they are transitioning? So in our case, please connect with us and leave a comment down below. Yeah, so for our meal we had a whole chicken and 4 fries, and everything was 1,000. So the chicken was 600 and the fries 100 shillings per plate, and you have seen the quantity is substantial. So that's a plug for any time that you're in town. You can enjoy your meal on a budget, and we are going to enjoy our fries and chicken as we have a conversation on the kids' transitions. So imagine the whole time the video was not recording. So as we were just here talking, or I deleted in error. So we have an artwork over here. You can see it. Yeah. We have an artwork which I want the artist. You can see the artist over here. It's Melanie. Oh, sorry, I forgot it's reversed. We're using the front camera. So, Melanie, tell us about your artwork.
So, this drawing is a woman, a house, ocean tree, and trees, waterfall, moon, birds and stars. So, on this side you have the woman. She has blood coming out of her eyes, and she's wearing a choker, which
This is the woman's side.
yes, and she seems to be wearing a choker that has a cross. So this representation shows that, interprets that she used to be a member of the church, but later on she got possessed. That's why she's drawing blood from her eyes. And on this side, you can see that she has a house, beautiful environment, which includes the trees, bushes, waterfall, moon, birds and stars. Yeah. So like in this, she seems to have been leaving her house right now. She seems like she's leaving the house and her environment to go and renew herself, to review her life and see if she can become a better person. And yeah, so she's leaving everything behind to go start a new life. Basically, that's what is clearly represented in the drawing.
Daniela, you were telling us about your school before the camera let us down. Tell us about your school, what you like about your school.
The school is okay. I like the thing that I mostly like about my school is about the clubs, because like that. I just think that it's really interesting, like, to create.
Okay. So you love creating?
Okay, I don't create. I don't have a channel.
Not creating now content right now, but you like coming up with ideas.
Yes.
What we'll do, we will be creating with you. Then when I see you are able to create, we can open a channel for you. Sindio? Over to you, Madam. Tell us the transition from primary to high school to adulting. By the way, guys, before she starts her part, we are having fries from Sonford. A subscriber reminded us that there's Sonford when we did our 3 minutes fries and chicken challenge. So if you want us to do something else, please let us know. We will do it. So we had to try Sonford for you guys. So just ask and we will do it. Yeah, so you can go ahead.
So I start from the primary. I don't remember.
Not remember, like
Like,
adulting.
To
Okay.
imagine.
imagine how it would.
No, and then, oh, sorry. So the good thing about Sonford, I'm not marketing for them. I'm just talking about an affordable place you can have a quick lunch, fast food in the CBD. Sonford is on, that's Moi Avenue. Sonford is on Moi Avenue, and a whole chicken and 4 fries is 1,000 bob. So the family of 4, we are full. We have had fun at bowling. The video will be on Just World, so please check it out. And now we are here enjoying some chicken from Sonford only for a G. A whole chicken and fries for a G. Yeah.
It's not primary. It must be okay.
Not primary, it's just adulting from school to an adult.
It's confusing.
Why are you confused?
Because like it's a big change. It's not something you're used to. It's new and you'll be confused because I think I'm pretty sure most people my age. I don't know how do I put this. They haven't even started their career. Some are still in school because of missing marks, projects, those kinds of things. So yeah, it's very, very, very confusing at first because you won't get a job immediately. You'll have to look for it unless you like have connections. But that's a story for another time. And in the workplace, you meet different kinds of people, but I don't know, the real world is so similar to like school because people will separate themselves into cliques. You have the gossipers, you have the snitches, you have the
All kinds of people.
Yeah, everyone is just there, and the only difference is you're older and you're younger, but it's pretty much the same.
And the worst thing, no, actually, to add on to what you have said, the worst thing now about adulting and now those cliques is because some of the cliques are the age of your mother. So, you're wondering, why is a person the age of my dad or my mom trying to
Tussle.
I mean, why is he fighting with a child? You know?
Yeah, and they're actually the worst. Those people around that age.
They are about to stop. Yeah,
I'm
but
just
you're not
saying.
hiding. It's the
But
truth.
it's the truth.
Unfiltered.
And then you'll find some
And then you
boss
know you're
who-
hearing it from the first, as a first time
I don't think
job.
if it's you, if the shoe fits, wear it. Like kama ni wewe uko na hizo tabia utajijua. If you don't do those kinds of things, you won't feel tapped.
Remember, you want to have to pay your bills, not to mind other people's business.
Exactly. So there are people who are everywhere, sticking their nose in everyone's business except their own. Those are the worst.
Until you ask yourself, why am I adulting?
Like,
I want to go back to be a child.
Being a child has restrictions. Yeah, you just have to, I don't know, have thick skin.
Anyway, you know you can't go back to time. So you are happy as you progress, and you learn as you progress.
Yeah, but adulting is the ghetto. It's a scam. It's a scam.
It's a scam, no one told you. What? Are you crying?
I'm emotional.
You had to adult.
It's not a benefit. It's a bad.
Selfish.
Yes.
Are you selfish?
Yes, I
self-centered?
admit I am selfish.
Yes.
I admit. I'd rather regret not having kids than regret having them.
And making them suffer.
And I know, see, I'm not emotionally available.
But you see, they said mtoto anakuja na sahani yake.
Lakini unajua some parents,
what is wrong with this one? Where is she going?
But you have to remember that they are also street kids. So hata mtoto akija na sahani yake kama mzazi wako hivi, that child will suffer.
Sasa kwani sahani yake itakuwa imeenda wapi? Utasonga mbele uonekane. Sahani yake atakuwa aliangusha ama ikavunjika. Tuwe ulikuja na yako.
Kiladi yake.
Let me tell you. One thing I've learned in life, never say never.
You're not saying never. For real.
Don't say that.
For real.
You know, I'm not into politics. But there's a video I shot at Barca. and I talked about a position where the president sat at Barca, and I was saying, I could be your next president. So what was going on in my mind was, by the way, I'm not in politics, but why am I saying this? So I wanted to say, or to put a caption there, that it's a joke. Then I said, what if maybe 10 years down the line, I will find myself interested in politics? 10 years, 15 years, I may find myself interested in politics. So I found myself saying, you never know, I could be a president. Yeah, I think guys will have overstayed. I don't like doing very, very long videos because I don't want to get you tired, and I want you to keep up with us as much as you can. So I think we can wrap it up here. Or you guys have something else to say?
Make sure you like this video.
Yes,
And
and
subscribe. Turn on the post notifications for you.
Yes.
Also subscribe.
subscribe.
Yeah.
That's good.
And also share.
Daniela is threatening you if you have not subscribed. Have you tell them again?
Subscribe or ask me.
You? Why? So that they can subscribe.
Subscribe. Yes.
Yes.
I am subscribed.
You're subscribed.
Yes.
So
Are you? Are you?
Same. Yes.
So what are you waiting for? Imagine you're watching us and you have not hit that red button. And thank you. And of course,